How to solve this equation for x 3 to power 7 minus 3 to power 6 minus 3 to power 6 divided by 3 to power 5 equal to 9x. So we common 3 to power 6 because the higher power is 7. So 3 की पावर 7 divided by 3 की पावर 6 तो 3 आ गया and 1 minus 1 3 की पावर 6 is common and 3 divided by 3 की पावर 5 equal to 9x at the same place. So in the next step 3 की पावर 6 into 3 minus 1 is minus 2 divided by 3 की power 5 at the same place and 9 की power x also at the same place in the next step. So we simplify this expression in the next step. 3 की power 6 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by 3 की power 5 equal to 9x. So 3 की power 6 multiply by 1 is 3 की power 6 and divided by 3 की power 5 को ऊपर गया 3 की power minus 5 equal to 9x because denominator is goes to the numerator. Yeah, base is the same, so the power is added to one another. 3 की power 6 minus 5 equal to 9 की power 9. We can write 3 की power 2 whole की power x. 6 minus 1 is 1, 3 की power 1 and 3 की power 2x because यहाँ पर power multiplied. Again base is same, so the power is equal to one another. 2x is equal to 1 because base is same, both are 3. So x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.